went. It was something to observe, and he's sitting there.
Throws 21 pitches and gets through 3 innings, and it looks like, oh my God, it's one of those nights, and the next thing you know, he loses the plate. When you don't, and it's between 2 outfielders, they've always let those plays go. And they usually, it's like a ball where everyone looks at each other and the ball drops, they call it a base hit. That's going to be a base hit. I've always thought in baseball.
Wow! The hell's that man doing? If you want to move over, I'll let you over. I guess not. What are you doing? Oh yeah, I drive an Audi. I'm special for some reason.
It wasn't worth it! It wasn't worth the buzz! Jesus, God, get this thing out of my ass!
Why did you
people
get
were
right in
killing me
front
with
of me
that
and hit
fucking
your
shit,
brakes?
man.
In the rain.
I've been going to fucking party.
God, you're too close. Speed up a little bit, come on. I'm gonna pass on the right. Look, if you can pass on the left, pass on the left. Whoa, close, close, close. I wanted to do what that was. Oh, damn, that's stupid.
Together to try to figure out how to control people, how to keep them in line. They knew people were basically stupid and would believe anything they were told.
Wow, that Toyota's. Oh, that's like an exit. What the hell's that guy doing? BMW Club. Why would you do that? The left lane's for passing, not the right lane. A turn signal would have helped. This is like the second time. Selena and school bus. Another one. fucking school bus. Or school band, whatever the hell they call those things. There's none of them there. Can't be there. Oh my god, wait for traffic to clear before you clear the obstacle. Yeah, move your fat ass off the street. Oh, getting in that BMW's way, aren't you?
That's a James Brown lyric. He wrote that shit. He's right there.
No.
I need a word here.
Was off his game early, but in the last two drives, he was letter perfect the entire time. Quick break, then we'll come back to it.
Then you're just gonna run.
The Geico Insurance Agency could help you save money on more than just car insurance, including renters and homeowners insurance.
Alrighty, this thing doesn't stay green forever. Yeah.
Emergency roadside service can help out. Tell Dad you can change it.
What are you doing? Zipper merge. Last second merges. I'm getting restless here. Come on. Yeah, I'm thinking of doing the same thing. This guy is being very dumb. If anything, if whoever gets pulled over, he'll probably be pulled over. Because this is nuts. 45 on a goddamn expressway. Oh no, that guy. Wow. Why would you do that? Right. Move over, thank you.
And Katie Wanaque
This ramp's all the way down to the bottom, and it shouldn't be that way.
On a dirty hip.
That's not what I'm talking about. I am talking about the guy.
Check your mirror.
Blackness, disease.
Animal shit. Why? Because I had to perform at the Insane Clown Costume Music Festival.
Let's see if I can signal him. Yeah, there's sparks coming off the thing too. Wow. No, don't move over.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to signal him.
I don't have power windows. I can't roll that window down. Hopefully I can. Wow, that's something you don't see every day. Yeah. Yeah, there's still sparks coming off that thing and everything. Yeah, you got the message. Good. That's stupid. What's going? Oh my god. Are you serious? You ain't gonna go anywhere, so what's the point?
Well, you think I actually give a shit about the dog you saw? Like that was gonna be an awesome
Seriously?
story that you saw fucking. Is she had a metal ball or something?
BMW, you're only going
I never really felt like oral sex needed any.
45.
I think it's pretty good the way it is. I don't remember any time someone
45.
She's like, wow, this is boring.
You've got to be
This is good.
shitting me.
Is that all? You can suck it? Come on.